Here's a factoid you didn't even think you'd leave with tonight. Do you know that 9,000 hogs produce more than 400,000 gallons of manure each week? First of all, I don't like the idea of manure being measured in gallons. And this award officially marks this is the year of animal waste power. I'm not sure we've made a step forward in engineering or if we're cavemen again. Bear with me. Only would resourceful engineers examine hog excrement and think biofuel. Imagine this in your head. In fact, if you do, you'll never forget it. A 154-acre pig farm in North Carolina is now a model for environmental stewardship and renewable energy production. That is such a complicated way to say what you do. This farm's nearly high nitrogen content made the manure unsuitable as fertilizer. This is not even good enough for fertilizer. So what do they do with it, you ask? I'll tell you. They dumped it in a nearby lagoon, and the subsequent release of methane and ammonia created what residents affectionately named, quote, an unholy stink. Dave, this would never happen at the Oscars, I guarantee you. All right, so what do you do? As you can imagine, engineers used an anaerobic digester and nitrification, denitrification system to convert pig waste to fuel at 65 kilowatts microturbine. You know, I like people, I really do, but I do not want to shake the hand of the guy that operates that device. I honor him, I like him, I think he's helping the world, I don't want to touch him. The system also eliminates 5,000 metric tons of CO2 per year, the emission equivalent of 900 cars. There, we did it again. Seriously, do any of you own 900 cars? You know what that would feel like. Okay, how many of you own 500 cars? Raise your hand. Do these comparisons relate to you in any way? If I said 75,000 cars, it still wouldn't mean anything to you. How about this comparison? The unholy lagoon doesn't curl your hair anymore. Which is the equivalent of, let's say, breathing. They've done it. That said, the project is truly a model for managing farm animal waste. If you've got a lot of farm animals and you're trying to figure out what to do with them, buy one of these. ACEC proudly presents, do we proudly present it in this case?
Yes!
Can we say admittedly, or can we say reluctantly, or in our heart of hearts, we award the energy category to Cavanaugh Associates of Winston-Salem, North Carolina, for the Loyd Ray Farm Waste to Energy Project. Accepted and confirmed. Bill Simmons, Vice President Marvin Cavanaugh, both Cavanaugh Associates, accepting for the client Steve Cavanaugh and Tory Wagoner.